Are you facing increased digestive problems like fullness or excessive gases and feeling frustrated about it? Are you worried about weight gain and lethargy and are feeling helpless about it? Let me give you 6 highly effective tips to deal with this. And in the end, I will also give you a bonus tip that unlocks an advantage that you never thought possible. Hi, I am Dr. Yuvraj Singh Gehlot from Bangalore. I have been a colorectal and endoscopic surgeon for the last 17 years and my expertise is digestive health. Now all of us are in a unique situation because of this coronavirus and it's a lockdown phase. This situation has never been experienced by any of us. And there is a new learning for all of us in this lockdown times. Our days and day-to-day life and activity has changed. Now, more and more of our time is being spent on the sofa or on the bed, watching TV, mobiles, laptops, etc. The physical activity has been curtailed. The food that we are having now is strictly home-cooked food, which is good. But still there are challenges. There are challenges in getting all our favorite food items. What all of this has resulted in are issues like stomach fullness, hard motion with incomplete evacuation, excessive gas and bloating, belching, weight gain, and a generalized lethargy. This is exactly how things were for me too in the first 2 weeks after lockdown. And I have followed few steps which made my digestion improve by 80%. And now I am more active and less lazy. Let me tell you how I did it with exact 6 steps which you can easily do and get the same exact results now in this lockdown time and also later on too. Let's start. First tip is high fiber foods. There are some high fiber foods when added to your menu, they never fail to give you a satisfying digestion. They are salads like onion, tomato, cucumber, radish, beetroot, carrot, or if you can get it, some exotic ones like broccoli, lettuce, ground capsicum, etc. When these are added to your food, they produce smooth digestion. What you have to do is cut them into pieces and eat them along with your normal food, whatever you are eating. You should target a big plate of these, or roughly 1/4 or 25% of your every meal should be of these. You can also include fruits, as most of the fruits are very excellent sources of fibers. When using fruits, the only thing you should be doing is eating them and not juicing them, because juicing removes most of the fibers when you filter the juices. You can also add sprouts to this high fiber diet. Tip number 2, water. See, only eating fibrous food alone is not enough if you don't have enough moisture, which is essential for smooth digestion. So, having a good amount of water is an absolute must. What you can do is have 500 ml for every 10 kg of your body weight. So, for example, if you are 60 kg, then 500 ml for every 10 kg of body weight means that you should have at least 3 liters of water per day. And in this dry summer conditions, add an extra 1 liter to it to make up for the losses due to sweating. Tip number 3, physical activity. There has to be some physical movement for smooth digestion. It is imperative. This actually helps with you when you actually move your intestines and thus you stimulate them or wake them up to do their job properly. That is smooth digestion. What you can do is you can start walking some 5,000 to 6,000 steps every day in your own homes or premises. This can be done very easily. The trick to this is to walk briskly, such that you sweat a little. Now there are so many apps that count your daily steps. You can use any one of them, and I'm sure you'll be so happy for this tip. The other thing that you can do is to have about 15 to 20 minutes of yoga and pranayama either in the morning or the evening. Some specific yoga exercises like Pawan Muktasana, Dhanurasana, Bhujangasana, etc. They help in smooth digestion. Pranayama, especially Kapalbhati or isometric abdominal contractions, they help in awakening your intestines and help you in smooth digestion. Tip number 4. Avoid distractions. Now this is very important. If one of your favorite ways of spending time in the washroom is using mobiles or reading newspapers or reading magazines, then please stop it immediately. You are doing nothing but simply distracting yourself from doing the only thing that you went there to do in the first place. Right? This habit also leads to further digestion problems. So, friends, please stop it. Tip number 5. Subtract or reduce certain foods. Yes, you can reduce the use of certain foods like pulses or dals, or even certain flours like gram flour or besan. These foods simply don't permit smooth digestion. And in case wherever you are using it or you have to use it, you can reduce the effect by adding some green leafy vegetables to it. For example, when you are making dal, you can make dal with dal palak or dal methi. You are making besan, have palak besan, or you can have palak pakoras. Yeah. Last tip number 6. Add probiotics. Probiotics contain a lot of beneficial bacteria which are essential for smooth digestion. You can't miss it. Have a bowl of curd, or you can have a glass of lassi or a buttermilk, or you can even have a bowl of hankard or shrikhand. You can also combine curd with salads and fruits. Cut them off. Make some yummy kosambiri. These are the 6 highly effective tips. Follow them and you will have smooth digestion every time without fail. To summarize, the 6 steps are: add high fiber foods, drink enough water, physical activity, avoid distractions in the toilet, reduce pulses, and add probiotics. Now for the bonus tip. Did you know that depression and digestion are very closely related? Depression and food are extremely closely related. Research has shown that incomplete emptying or constipation is directly related to depression, or you can say depressed mood or negative thoughts, and vice versa. Majority of people with depression were found to be having constipation or incomplete bowel clearing. And the other way around is also true. Majority of people with constipation or incomplete bowel clearing were found to have depression. Now it's not a depressing thought at all. You should rather cheer up, because this gives us at least one controllable way to reduce depression or depressive thoughts or even low mood swings, doesn't it? Empty your bowels, improve and have smooth digestion, and have a better mood. This gut-brain connection is now a proven method, and you can now use it for your benefit. So when will you start this? This is Dr. Yuvraj Singh, and please stay connected for many such tips for health. If you have any specific questions regarding your health and especially gut health, please type it in the comments below, and I will be answering them all in coming sessions. I will be conducting many live sessions. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.